All right, stop scrolling for 2 seconds because I need you to see this Instagram page. These guys literally just started posting and they've already blown past 3,000 followers. Doing what exactly? Posting tiny wooden car making videos. That's it. That's the whole strategy. And here's the part that should make you sit up. This niche is still completely unsaturated. Nobody's doing this yet. Which means if you jump in right now, you're not late to the party. You're the guy who showed up before the party even started. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make videos like this without spending a single dollar. Not 1 cent. Zero. Nada. Let's get into it. First things first, I've built a master prompt for you. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this thing is stupidly powerful. Copy the entire master prompt, open up Claude AI, paste it straight into the prompt box, and hit generate. Give it a few seconds, and boom. Claude spits out 10 car ideas for you to pick from. Choose whichever one speaks to you. If none of them do, just type more and it'll hand you a fresh batch instantly. For this example, I'm going with idea number 1. So I type 1 into the box, hit generate, and just like that, Claude gives us a starting frame image prompt, an ending frame image prompt, and the full detailed video prompt. All done, all for free. Now here's step 1. Copy that first image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, switch to image generation mode, pick your aspect ratio, choose how many outputs you want, and select the Nano Banana Pro image model. Paste in your image prompt, hit send, and watch it work its magic. It analyzes everything first, and a few seconds later, our first image is ready. Clean. Now go back to Claude, grab that ending frame prompt, and return to Flow AI. This time, drag and drop your starting frame image, and as a reference, paste in the prompt, hit generate, and just like that, your final frame image appears too. Now for the fun part. Head back to Claude one more time, copy the video prompt, and return to Google Flow AI. Switch over to video generation mode and select the Omni Flash video model. Drop in both your starting and ending frame images, paste your video prompt, and hit generate. Quick heads up, sometimes Omni Flash throws an error when you're using both start and end frames together. No panic, just switch to Veo 3.1 Fast or Light instead, and it'll run smooth. And just like that, your video is done. Take a look at this, because honestly, it came out even better than I expected. And the best part is you can use this exact workflow to create endless variations, endless niches, endless content. So that's the entire workflow, start to finish, completely free, completely repeatable. If you don't want to miss the next viral AI niche the second it drops, do yourself a favor and subscribe to AI Zentro right now. Because trust me, these opportunities don't stay unsaturated for long. And you want to be early, not the guy who shows up after everyone else already figured it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.